A tool that you could carry everywhere, a tool that you would never leave behind. I spent months in a university machine shop, designing and prototyping by hand. A year later, and with the help of the Entrepreneurship Hatchery, I am proud to introduce you to Telehex. Telehex combines 4 of the most common hex wrenches into a single, self-adjusting tool head. At 40 grams and the size of your thumb, Telehex is less than half the weight of your typical tool set and a fraction of the volume. It takes up next to no space in your jersey pocket, saddlebag, or hydration pack. Telehex is also designed with the urban cyclist in mind. Slip it in a pen sleeve, in your jean pocket, or loop it to your keychain. Using Telehex is extremely simple. Bring the tool head up to the bolt, lightly push while rotating, and the patent pending mechanism will automatically engage and be ready for torque. You can use this to perform on-the-go tasks such as raising your seat post, adjusting brake tension, or tightening loose parts. No more fumbling to select the right size key. You can even use Telehex with winter gloves, a feature I know fellow Canadians and cold weather riders will appreciate. Telehex is made from the best materials available with no compromises. I chose hardened and nickel-plated tool steel for the tool head to ensure the shell slides seamlessly. The concentric reinforced tool head is designed to withstand more than 15 Newton-meters of torque, which is more than enough for any trailside repair. The handle is CNC machined from a single billet of aircraft-grade aluminum to endure years of use. And of course, everything is rust-proof. It's built right here in Canada, and I will make it my mission to ensure product quality and consistency. I know how important peace of mind is to cyclists, and I would expect nothing less.